So let's talk about your YouTube channel. What type of videos are you creating for your clients?
On my YouTube channel, I'm just creating content to pretty much like what you said, just teach people. It could even be like agents who aren't really aware of the process, because a lot of the stuff was when I first started, I just got on the video and just, even I was brand new. I'm still brand new teaching what I know. So it's just spreading the awareness and kind of like the stages that I'm going through, I'm sharing with other people and just kind of like adapting from there, learning what other people are doing and what's the right and wrong. But a lot of it is really process based and how business kind of works in Nevada. Trying to educate people is
I love that you mentioned that too. Yeah. What was your biggest lesson in 2020? Like, if this were to happen again, what would you do differently?
That one's a tough one, but you know what I did learn is how to adapt. So with all these things and in the age that we're at, there's, different people that stay in the same mindset. I feel like even though it's so early for me, it's just being able to learn how to adapt to the things that we're doing is one of the major things that I would suggest. And because that's what I learned. I learned how to adapt, and I already had the mind frame of already going on YouTube or something just because that's where I felt comfortable. I came off Twitch. I'm not like super hardcore streamer, but that was one of the biggest things was like going on Twitch, playing games and engaging with people. And I really felt like that was the same place I could do in real estate too. It was crazy how it worked out that way.
Right. So what is your biggest advice to anybody watching this or new agents that land on this interview? What is one of your biggest advice that you can offer of anything that you've taken from last year to bring into this year?
Well, I'm sure a lot of people know this, and if people aren't already doing it, it's just staying consistent. Like, it's the thing of consistency in any parts of entrepreneurship. I don't even know if that's a word. I probably butchered it. Entrepreneurship, but just going out there and stay consistent. And even me, brand new, is like struggling on it, but knowing your faults and how to adapt to that and staying consistent is one of the biggest things.
What are your goals